Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and I wanted to do a video on a phone case for this phone. I believe the model is the ANS UL40. If I have it wrong, I'll correct it in the title and the description. But regardless, it's a phone that I can't find any phone cases for, screen protectors. I mean, you could just cut your own for this. It wouldn't be that hard. But nonetheless, there's no phone cases for it, and it's a pretty cheap phone. So I was thinking, any impact could possibly break it or at least ding it up, considering I think it's all plastic. So I found this type of phone case, and the type I was thinking of is what universal tablet cases are like. They have like elastic bands in each corner that would hold the phone in, but I couldn't find anything like that. And there's these type of cases, which is just a holster, but then you have to take your phone out of it every time, so there's still a chance you can drop it and damage the phone. So I wanted something that would be on all the time, and I really couldn't find a universal specific phone case for it, so I decided I would look for a generic universal phone wallet. And I found this on Amazon, and it's pretty nice. I mean, who knows what the quality of it'll peel apart, but nonetheless. And the concept is the phone clips into this kind of like a car vent mount, and you have just your card slots, whatever, if you even use that. And it's magnetic, so it's kind of like, I mean, they make these for iPhones, Galaxies, for everything, but instead of being molded for that specific phone, this will take most phones within a certain range. And here is the listing. So it's the Cooper cases, and you want to make sure you get the 5-inch universal, because if you go here, these are specific made, so you want to make sure to get this one, and they have it in a few different colors here, and it's very affordable. And you can see it's probably made for the iPhone, which is what I'm going to talk about next. And about really all I have to talk about is when I first got this, you can see this is raised up, and this is a very thick phone. It wouldn't, these little channels or whatever, little clips, wouldn't go over I could get one side in, but then not the other, because this is raised up, and you can see they're a little bit beneath it. So I decided I was going to take these off and double side tape the phone in, which you still might have to do that depending on if this phone, you should be able to get away with it, but others you might want to try that. And there's also a little piece of plastic over this, you might want to take that, and then there's just a little kind of sticky protective pad. But I was going to take these spring-loaded adjustments off, and I decided that I'm probably gonna have to break them off, so I figured I don't care. If I decided I would just bend these to make them stick up higher, and if they break, then oh well. And when I bent them, I can now fit the phone in. And you want to make sure to keep, because you need your power button here. But now this phone does fit. And I still thought about double-sided taping it, but I think it would make the phone again too far off, and then these clips wouldn't reach it again, so I don't think I can do that. And you can see it's not a perfect fit, but it's better than nothing, because again, there are no phone cases made for this phone. And again, the slide, so you can get your camera, so it kind of works perfectly for this phone, hoping. Again, nice, compact, it's protected. Now it's not perfect, but again, way better than nothing. You still have access to your ports. So here it is. Again, I believe it's the Cooper Cases universal 5-inch phone case. It does fit this ANS phone. And again, hopefully there's no problems here. If there is, I'll get back to you. You'd probably damage the phone at that point, but I'm hoping this holds up. And if you have this phone, I would recommend this case. It's probably the best you can do. So I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.